करने स्टार्ट, स्पेस दो, करने स्टार्ट, स्पेस दो। IISc rather, Industry Institute Partnership Cell to discuss about various features that influence entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship basically? What is entrepreneurship? A person who starts his own business with maximum risk. क्योंकि रिस्क है तो रिस्क के साथ he or she gets higher profits. So आज का थीम जो है वो बेसिकली है हमारा we will talk about entrepreneurship skills, attitude, behavior and development. Can we next? हाँ जी. So before starting with the presentation, I am starting with the quote from Confucius that is tell, show me I may remember, involve me and I will understand. Okay? So development you cannot be you cannot be sure that you can be a good entrepreneur. Okay? So we all have capabilities. Entrepreneurs are not something different. Entrepreneurs are not born. They can be made easily, just like leaders. But the core difference is whether you have the skills, whether you have the risk bearing ability or not to take up all these things. Can we have next slide please? So starting with the definition firstly, an entrepreneur is an individual who undertakes risk associated with creating, organizing and owning a business. So definition itself is very clear that entrepreneurship is more about taking risks, more about taking challenges and understanding the outcomes resulting from it. Can we next slide? So this is entrepreneurship cognition. So cognition is basically what mental processes or thoughts that we have basically like giving attention to something, remembering or producing or understanding a speech. So social cognition is what the knowledge structure, the mental processes that we take up in order to optimize our personal growth. But along with it, we have one more thing that is entrepreneurship cognition, which deals with the knowledge structure that people use to create their own business. Are you getting this point? Ideas सबके पास हो सकते हैं. Ideas anyone can have an idea, but it takes a lot of challenge. It can take a lot of risk to start with the idea, to take it up and bear it, and to digest the risk. ठीक है? अपने आप को ग्रो करवाने के लिए to boost their profits. Can we have the next slide? So here are a few characteristics of entrepreneur. Firstly, we have entrepreneurs are vision-oriented people. Until and unless you have a vision, you have a clear goal, you cannot become a good entrepreneur. You need to see things differently. The things which are not being thought of previously or which have not been understood previously by others. जब तक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तब तक सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. ठीक है? If I talk about the root story of grassroots levels, अगर इंडिया के हम मैक्सिमम जो entrepreneurs की बात करें, उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है from the grassroots. Grassroots means from the very lower level. And अगर एग्जाम्पल दूं जिनको इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्निशन मिली है, उनके आइडियाज बहुत सिंपल है. प्रॉब्लम स्टार्टेड विद अ वेरी सिंपल फैक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पर्सन की स्टोरी थी कि ही स्टार्टेड विद अ चपाती मेकर आफ्टर सीइंग दैट हिज मदर कुड नॉट रोल द चपातीज प्रॉपर्ली. ठीक है? प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? उसके मदर को प्रॉब्लम थी. ही अंडरस्टूड द प्रॉब्लम, ही ट्राइड टू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन और सोल्यूशन के साथ क्या हुआ, उसका तो भला हुआ ही और बाकी सारी सोसाइटी को भी उस चीज का पॉजिटिव एडवांटेज हुआ. नीड किसी और की, आउटकम्स किसी और के. तो जब तक यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन नॉट फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन. इफ यू गो ऑन थिंकिंग लाइक जस्ट व्हाट अदर्स आर थिंकिंग, यू वोंट बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट अ गुड सोल्यूशन. इज इट पॉसिबल? अगर हम सबकी सोच सेम ही रहेगी क्या हमारे सोल्यूशन भी इक्वल आएंगे? नो. यू नीड टू take things differently. Okay, second one है entrepreneurs have high achievement. ठीक है? You need to be driven by your need of achievement. Motivation theory अगर आपको याद हो, तो अगर आप need of achievement आपके नहीं है, you cannot become a good entrepreneur. ठीक है? एक कोट है, जब तक आपके सपने आपको जगाते नहीं है, सोने नहीं देते, तब तक वो सपने आपके बड़े नहीं है. ठीक है? आगे जाके भी हम इसके साथ का कुछ सिमिलर कोड पढ़ेंगे. Entrepreneurs do not rely on fate or luck, however, they control their lives. ये नहीं है कि इस बार हमारे साथ बुरा हो गया, something bad happened, I was at they also undertake moderate risk, which is why they look for high earning on their investment. When we talk about risk, we do not talk about taking unnecessary risk. We talk about taking logical risk which have logical results. अगर आप रिस्क ले रहे हो तो उस रिस्क का आपको बराबर प्रॉफिट भी आना चाहिए. अगर आप कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लॉन्च कर रहे हो which is not in demand, उसको लॉन्च करने का will there be any benefit? No, there will not be any benefit. So you need to understand what customers want, what the problem is, how you can solve it, and how the best it can be solved within the limited resources. Next one is we have the ability to deal with several ambiguous situations in their ventures. At the same time, they need to start their business, they need to run their business, as well as they need to manage their business from top to bottom. Initial days, when a business starts, the entrepreneur is everything. He is the HR manager, he is also the finance manager, he is the marketing executive, he is each and everything. If I talk about the story of Nirma, जिस टाइम Nirma start हुआ, Nirma washing powder start हुआ, its owner started by marketing his product on bicycle. ठीक है? उसके बाद things turned in his favor. उनको उसके बाद जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, but initial days में you need to be everything. You need to don many hats. You can be jack of all trades to run your business because you need to save money. Initial days में money is always a crunch, but once your business reaches to new heights, you will have more investors, you will have more interest, you can gather more capital, which is not possible in the initial stages for an average product. Next, can we have the next slide? Once again, the characteristics of entrepreneurship mindset: determination and perseverance. If you don't have determination, you cannot stay in the business. The first time problem occurs, you will leave the field, and that is not the quality of good entrepreneur. Next one, we have drive to achieve. That these things are almost repeating as was discussed in the previous slides. Initiative and responsibility. If something goes wrong, you need to be responsible. You need to take action for it, and you need to be responsible yourself. इनिशियल डेज में बिजनेसेस जितनी बार भी आते हैं, आपके कस्टमर्स आप में सबसे ज़्यादा फॉल्ट फाइंड करते हैं, और अगर आप इस चीज़ से दुखी हो जाओगे कि हर कोई हमारे में से गलतियाँ निकालता जा रहा है, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रन अ बिजनेस, गुड बिजनेस, नेवर एवर, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट वी हैव सीकिंग फीडबैक. Feedback is once again important. Until and unless you have feedback, you cannot make good improvement. And customer feedback is one of the most affordable ways to improve yourself. One of the most affordable. उसके बिना आप अगर रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, R&D कर रहे हैं, कोई भी आप टेकअप करेंगे, each and everything is expensive. But customer feedback, right and genuine customer feedback is always welcome. And we have internal locus of control and tolerance for ambiguity. There can be many situations which can be tiring for you, which can take charge of you, which can force you to think differently. But उन situations में से entrepreneur को घबराना नहीं होता. They need to keep themselves, their minds clear how to manage themselves. Okay, calculated risk taking, high energy levels, creativity, innovation, vision, passion. One of the most important things: passion, independence, and team building. Once again, team building is again important because you have very limited people working for you, and you need them to handle multiple things. And if multiple things संभाल रहे हैं, तो problems are definitely going to occur. Can we have the next slide? These are once again the same things that were repeated previously. So कुछ इनमें new addition है, like we have creativity, ability to influence others. We have ability to take initiative, flexibility, intelligence, orientation to clear goals, positive response to challenges, independence, responsiveness to criticism, then ability to make decisions quickly, and foresight. अगर आप बिजनेस रन कर रहे हैं बट विद अ मायोपिया, ठीक है, आपकी बहुत लिमिटेड सोच है, आपका बिजनेस लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए नहीं चल सकता. ठीक है, आई ऑलवेज से बिजनेसेस कैन बी ऑफ three phases. It can be designed for handling in short term. It can be designed for medium term, it can be decided for long term. Every business tries to start with long term. Every business goal is to go long term. But some products are only meant to be in short term. Those have a short shelf life. बहुत थोड़े टाइम के लिए वो मार्केट में रहते हैं. Then you have products, those have medium shelf life, and then you have products that have a long shelf life. So if I talk about baby products, what kind of products are those? Short term, medium term, or long term? Those are for long term. If I talk about short term, what about your say mobile phones? Those are for medium term or short term?
Medium term.
Probably the design we are using at the moment, it is probably for short term. In the long run, the design is probably going to change. We will expect we can expect new changes or new alternatives which can happen in the days to come. Can we have next slide? So these are the behavior traits. Almost these are overlapping. We are repeating them again and again. When you take risk again and again, or you act in a certain way, it becomes your behavior. And entrepreneurs are not different. They only know how to do things differently, isn't it? और अगर आप different things नहीं take up करोगे, your business will not be able to achieve new heights, or not?
Yes.
But it doesn't mean कि जैसे ही पहली problem आई, you should leave your business and go.
No.
Should you?
No.
आपके बिजनेस को पहली प्रॉब्लम आई, इनिशियल फेलियर हुआ, और मैक्सिमम एंटरप्रेन्योर जो है इस फेज में ही अपने बिजनेस को बंद करके चले जाते हैं. अगर आप इतनी मायोपिक व्यू लेके चलेंगे, योर बिजनेस विल नो लॉन्गर बी सक्सेसफुल. आगे चलिए. सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की इंपॉर्टेंस है बेसिकली. अगर हम बात करें इकोनॉमी को, द मोर द नंबर ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, द मोर द जॉब्स, the more the income of the country, ठीक है, the lesser the problems, the more the technological intervention, the lesser the dependence on foreign goods. Your country will become self-sufficient. Even Indian government has tried multiple times to boost entrepreneurship. Even आजकल तो state governments भी जो हैं, उनका भी focus जो है वो इस चीज पे आ गया है कि catch people young. Schools में जा के they hold competitions ताकि हर एक के आइडियाज, जहां से भी आइडियाज जनरेट हो सकते हैं, वहां से आइडियाज जनरेट किए जाएं और उसको बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह क्रिएट किया जाए. सोशल अगर हम लेके चले, इनकम ग्रो हो रही है इकोनॉमी की, और स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग ग्रो हो रहा है. देन वी हैव सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटीज, एंड वी हैव इट सोज द सीड्स फॉर स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस. अगर बड़ी एंटरप्राइजेस है, उनके साथ छोटी छोटी लाइट इंडस्ट्रीज भी ग्रो करती है, डायरेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी एग्जिस्ट करती है और इनडायरेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी एग्जिस्ट करती है. देन साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट्स क्या है? आर्ट प्ले आपके 2 पॉइंट्स है. इट हेल्प्स पीपल फुलफिल देयर क्रिएटिव एज, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन एज वेल. कैन वी हैव द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड? सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कंटेम्परेरी मार्केट्स, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर? एन एंटरप्रेन्योर इज एन इनोवेटर और अ डेवलपर who captures the opportunities. ठीक है, मार्केट इज ऑलवेज फुल ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ठीक है, एक देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर proverb, no matter what the economy of a jungle, a lion will not eat grass. I get this point कि अगर बद से बदतर हालात भी आ जाए, कभी भी लाइन जो है वो घास खाने वाला नहीं है. तो सेम इज द केस ऑफ इकोनॉमी. अगर डिप्रेशन में भी इकोनॉमी जा रही है, इवन इफ द इकोनॉमी इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स रिसेशन, still there will be an opportunity for new goods, new services or new alternatives which if handled properly can deliver you good outcomes. Then we can transform the opportunities into merchandisable concepts. ठीक है, आइडियाज को आप कंसेप्ट में अगर ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देंगे, you will have more opportunities. There are those kind of opportunities which could not be thought of in the years ahead. ठीक है, आज से almost 10 years before इंडिया में कभी किसी ने नहीं सोचा होगा कि ई-इनवाइट्स आएंगे, डिजिटल इनवाइट्स आएंगे. पर आजकल लोग प्रिंट निकालने के बजाय जितने भी इन्विटेशन कार्ड्स हैं कैसे जा रहे हैं? ई-इनवाइट्स. तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के जो है, अगर आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के साथ एसोसिएटेड हो, यू हैव मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. और डिजिटल स्पेस में तो यू हैव all kinds of job. have a lot of followers on Instagram, you can become an influencer. There are numerous other jobs that can arise out of these. ठीक है, तो अगर सोशल एस्पेक्ट है, तो अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी हैं. If there is a challenge, it has a more effective idea for entrepreneurs to explore their opportunities. And they also create values to multiple stakeholders and resources. One of the most important aspect of taking up entrepreneurship is things which are earlier going waste have been put to a logic use. Are you getting this point? If there was a land, if I talk about this particular college, if it would not have been developed into a college, this land would have left idle.
No.
ये जगह खाली पड़ी हुई थी. Would it have generated profit?
No.
No. But now it has become a college. It is giving employment opportunities to many. It is giving the opportunity for you to study, and it is also giving indirect employment to a lot of other people. So one business is the mother of lot of other businesses. Can we have the next slide, please? Personal characteristics of an entrepreneur: they are persistent, never say die attitude. They are creative, they are responsible, and they are always inquisitive. If you have one good product that has performed well in the market, will it be the end of your company? क्या वो खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप कोई और नया प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनाओगे? No. The entrepreneur is always inquisitive. ठीक है? When we will talk about the founder of Apple, Steve Jobs, उन्होंने एक कहावत कही थी जो पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल दोनों लेवल पे it is very helpful. It is stay hungry and stay foolish. ठीक है? Always stay hungry for new things and always stay foolish so that you can have more knowledge. Then they are goal oriented. You have a particular goal, you should try to achieve it at all costs. They are independent, they are not relying on others to make their profits, and they are self-confident, and once again they are focused. Next slide please. So what kind of skills are needed for being a good entrepreneur? See, no one is perfect. No one is perfect. But until and unless you understand what your problems are and what your strengths are, you can make the market turn into your favor. Is it or is it not?
Yes.
Is it or is it not? I say almost 10 years before, a decade ago, people saw a market for English speaking or rather IELTS coaching. आज के टाइम में everyone is entering into it, but those who started well ahead are reaping higher profits. But those who started late are earning lower profit because the older ones have become cash cow or the new ones are just in the rising phase. They are not able to compete as good as their older ones. So first skill is you should have good communication skills. Good communication skills once again doesn't mean that you should be very good at speaking in English. You should be able to speak in the language your customer understands. Okay? If your customer is in a rural market, he or she will not appreciate you speaking English. Will they or will they not? No, they will not appreciate you speaking in English. They will ask you or they will be more pleased if you can connect to them in their local language. So, good communication skills or rather having a command of your international as well as local language is important. Then human relation skills, because entire business is dependent upon your business relations. You need to have good relations with suppliers, with your customers, with your employees as well, and there are a lot of problems. And if you cannot juggle all those factors consistently, it is going to create problems. Then you should be good at mathematics or rather in managing finance. If you do not have a hawk's eye, you cannot manage your finance well. Or if you cannot manage your finance well, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? You will always be in need of more funds and lower number of investors will be ready to invest in you in long run. Then you need to have problem solving and decision making skills, then technical skills, and last but not the least, basic business skills. Can we have the next slide, please? Next. So here are some difference between the entrepreneurship and entrepreneur. Usually we use both the things synonymously, but in reality, both things are rather different. Entrepreneur is basically a person who takes up the challenge, and entrepreneurship is rather the process by which he establishes his business or gets the result. Next one. So here are the 5 steps of the entrepreneurship process. It starts with the discovery. You need to discover an idea, what the problem is, what the customers want. Then you have concept development. You need to see if what the customer desire, is it even possible, is it even feasible to make or not. Next we have resourcing. You need to gather the specific resources. Then you need to actualize the product, rather make the product. Then harvest the idea or rather make it into a profitable venture. Next one. So first step is the discovery. So what important aspects are taken up in the discovery? The entrepreneurs must be able to understand their hobbies or skills, or they must understand the customer needs or wants, or they must conduct survey or questionnaires or study the demographics to understand what exactly the customers need or what exactly the customers want. I remember reading a case about Mitti Cool. There is a brand called as Mitti Cool. They started, what happened actually, due to frequent power cuts in some regions of Rajasthan, people were not able to get cool good drinking water. गर्मी बहुत पड़ती है, ठीक है, और बिजली के frequent cuts की वजह से रेफ्रिजरेटर जो हैं वो अपनी proper जो है वो performance नहीं दे पाए. तो what they did, instead of going ahead, they decided कि we should go back. ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या किया, पुराने तौर तरीके जो हैं उनको यूज करते हुए they made a refrigerator which uses no electricity, which uses no power. It is entirely safe. It doesn't have anything that can damage, so it is sustainable. They named it Mitti Cool refrigerator. They started it naming at something else. They started with the idea of promoting it into smaller markets. उन markets में जहाँ पे already refrigerators नहीं है, पर आज के टाइम में उनको orders जो हैं वो local area से तो आ ही रहे हैं, international market से भी उनके पास orders आ रहे हैं. तो always you don't need to go ahead to achieve. Sometimes going back can also give you good ideas. Next one. Then concept development. When we develop the concept, you need to develop a business plan. Clear? What your business is. Even if you are interested in seeking loans, the first thing that anyone will ask you is your project. Even if you are pitching an idea, you also need to have viable statistics about it. Then you need to choose a location for the business. The location can be physical or the location can be virtual. Okay? There are a lot of restaurants at this moment. Rather, the concept is growing very large. People who are working from their home or they having no sitting space are running cloud kitchens. Cloud kitchen means there is no sitting space. They only have space for cooking. And they deliver it through Zomato or Swiggy or other kind of delivery apps. Can we have the next one? Large businesses. Here you have internal issues and on the other side you have leadership issues. Internal issues कौन से हैं आपके पास? System, reward failure, then you have structure failure, then you have policies and procedure failure. On the other side you have strategic problems in strategic direction. Then you have problems in managing people, and the last one is you have problem in managing your company culture. Next one. So, if we talk about our own Mr. Peter Drucker, he had given the purpose of the business is to create and keep customers. So you not simply need a business, you need customers and you need how to create and help it. So according to Peter Drucker, there are 4 major pitfalls, there are 4 major problems which can impact our business. Can we have the next slide? Sorry, before that let's have the 5 important questions. Our business needs to be clear about what is our purpose, why you are in the business. Then you have who are our customers, why are you getting this product. Then what do our customers need or value. Then you have what are our existing results, and lastly you have what is our plan, long term plan. Next one. So these are 4 causes of failures of a business. First one is entrepreneur does not realize a new product or service is not successful. ठीक है, आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं है आपका प्रोडक्ट चलने वाला है कि नहीं चलने वाला, और उसके बीच में पैसा लगाते जाओ. That is definitely going to hit you hard, hit you very hard. आपका पैसा कहाँ जाएगा? You will suffer losses. Second failure है entrepreneurs believe profit is what matters most in a new business. That is not true. जब you have a new business, you need to value customers and you need to deliver value. Initial days में ही अगर आप initial days में profit के पीछे भागने लग जाएंगे, your business will not be able to work or survive in long term. Then, as business grows, the person who found the business is incredibly busy. He loses his focus towards his business as much as he had in the initial days. Then what is going to happen? Will others perform as well as he was doing? No. He needs to create a culture if he is going to become a helicopter entrepreneur. Then when the business is success, the entrepreneur who is perhaps bored begins to put himself and his needs before the business. This is one of the most important causes of failure of large scale businesses. Clear? When you decide that you are more important than general good or rather than your customers. Next slide. So there are 1 or 2 case studies we will be taking up today. The first one is of Honda. What happened? So Chirio Honda, when he started his business, he went for interview to large companies. Or unfortunately, none of the business decided to give him a job. No one gave him a job. He became very much unhappy. So ultimately, what happened? You can be on the next slide. What he did, he was very curious. And he started working in his father's bicycle shop. He learned the basics of how to make a bike. Can we have the next one? And slowly what he did, he was turned down by the big companies, so he decided to create a workshop in his own home. And he fitted an electric motor to a normal bicycle. And the result was, everyone was very happy in purchasing his vehicle. A day came when his vehicles were in huge demand. Slowly and gradually, it evolved into bicycle turned into motorcycles. And that was basically his product, which propelled his business from a simple person to a multi-millionaire company. So this is what the learning is all about. Success represents 1% of your work, and which results from 99% of failure. He was one of the greatest failures of his time, and he had failed in a lot of all be achieved through repeated failure and introspection. Firstly, you need to fail, and then you need to understand why you failed. Once you understand the problem, you can लोग आपके उस काम को करते हुए बार-बार देखने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हो, and they will want to bring others to show them how you are doing it. So another quote is, get a good idea, stay with it, dog it, and work at it until it is done right. If you have a good idea, make sure it turns into a reality. Can we have the next slide? So if we talk about Steve Jobs, one of the most important reasons Steve Jobs was so popular was that he too himself had faced a lot of failures, but he could find opportunities in areas that others could not find. So this is a story, and जो photocopier machines हैं, initially those were made by Xerox. ठीक है? तो इन्होंने क्या किया? Initial days में when he toured Xerox, he found that they have a graphical user interface, something like this. उस ज़माने में ये भी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ थी, ठीक है? DOS system अगर आपने यूज किया है, you can quickly understand it how difficult it is to use a DOS system. So he started designing this kind of system, and today it is one of the most popular interface. Can we have the next one? This is what he said about his own business. What he said, we worked hard, and in 10 years, Apple had grown from just the two of us in the garage to $2 billion company with over 4,000 employees. They started in their garage. 90% of the businesses which are scaling today started from a small idea, but you can say their entrepreneurs had a never say die attitude which they could scale it up. Then we have great things in business are never done by one person, and they are done by team of people. There is another important saying of Steve Jobs: if you hire people, do not tell them how to do the job. Ask them how to do the job. खुद मत बताओ लोगों को काम कैसे करना है. Ask them. You have hired them to help you do the job. So सीख कह रहे हो. जब तक टीम वर्क नहीं है, तब तक आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. Can we next slide? This is the last example I am going to give. This is the story of Wipro. Wipro जो है initially it started. It was not Azim Premji's first entrepreneurship venture. It was rather his family venture. और initially Wipro का जो सबसे पहला product था, it was Dalda. Dalda. Have you heard about Dalda? Yeah, this was Dalda. कहाँ Dalda? ठीक है, hydrogenated oil. कहाँ उसकी तरफ light bulb में Wipro. दोनों businesses एक दूसरे से entirely different है. This is the idea how he changed himself. So basically क्या हुआ? Azim Premji when he was just 21 years old, he lost his father. He was in the middle of studying for higher education at Stanford University. मजबूरन उनको अपनी वहाँ पे पढ़ाई बीच में छोड़ के आनी पड़ी. But it was his zeal which forced him to go ahead. Next slide. This is his journey. In 1966, he quit Stanford on the death of his father, and he changed. And by 1980, he had changed the name of his company to Wipro. And slowly he started making hardware, then software, then he went into other businesses later in the later stages. Can we have the next slide? So here are what he thinks about being into business. Success is achieved twice. When once in the mind, and the second time in the real world. And second one is if people are not laughing at your goals, what is happening? Yes. Your goals are small. Clear? So if you have big ideas, you should make big steps to achieve your goals. That's all for today. Next we will discuss in some other class. Thank you so much.